We are reading books about the rainforest.
We made toucans and they live in the rainforest and they like to eat fruit.
We wrote sentences about toucans on a computer. We are learning about products that come from the rainforest.
We made snakes because snakes live in the rainforest.
We wrote down things we know and want to know about the rainforest.
Chameleons have long tongues. Chameleons can change colors. Chameleons live in Madagascar. Chameleons eat bugs.
Chameleons have long tails and they have long tongues.
Chameleons stand for an hour and if they see a bug or a fly, they eat it.
Some like to eat, some like to sleep, some like to eat salad. What is it? They have striped claws. They hang upside down. They're mammals. I think they're cute when they're a baby. They take a bath in green tea. They hold on to their mamas when they're cold. They snuggle up. They can eat fruit and vegetables.